Minority 1 and
Yeah,
Minority 1
Minority 2,
and
hell
Minority
yeah.
2.
Wait
Trying
lang,
to
I think I
survive
can
this.
upgrade something. Yeah, let's go, Minority. It's time, boy. Time for Minority Squad.
It's
We're
George
gonna get the
Shipman.
green card. Hello, give us our green card. Give us our green card.
Wait.
George Shipman, wait.
Are you gay? Okay, not Ouija board.
Music box.
Really?
Music box.
Alright.
Yep.
Took a photo of the music box.
Okay, walang taguan dito.
Oh! Something's here. I think bandang restroom. He keeps touching something. Ayun, nandito. Yeah, he's through this. Yeah, this is shade. 100% not a shade. Okay, kuha ka na equipment. We are minorities. We're going to get our green card now.
Naglakad siya sa salt.
Not yet. I'm gonna take 3. Alright. Hello, we are minorities. I'm gonna get
smudged, so minority man can survive.
yes, I'm going to get my penis.
Pinatay niya yung breaker, it's not a gin.
Alright, let's see where the breaker is, bro. It's not a gin. Okay, yung breaker na sa baba. This is so bad. I think bro wants to fuck us
I heard the
under here.
motion sensor.
Alright, I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna use this. Bro, turn off the shower, bro. Turn off the faucet, bro. We can unreal test now. Yeah. Let me take this.
Sakto lang ba itong crucifix?
Pass demon.
Yeah, ayun.
Oh. Alright, where's my parabolic mic?
Ito naman yung tumunog. Oh shit, maybe the twins.
Yeah, maybe the twins nga.
Ay, tumulog yung motion sensor ulit dito.
The heck?
Wait. Let's see. Yeah, so 350 meters. And then, yep. Look, see? Dito siya. Right? This is the first twin.
Alright.
It's something.
This way. This way.
Okay, as a site, bro.
Yep. Okay. I think it's a normal speed ghost.
Alright. Ang tanong ko,
Then,
hindi ko siya masyadong marinig kanina. Nasa
malapit
baba
kasi
ako.
ako yan, hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi ko siya masyadong marinig kanina.
Might be a miling.
Might be a miling though.
Box.
Alright, let's go minority squad.
Dito siya sa kanan. Where?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, lumipat siya ng room ulit. Okay, it's a side.
Oh my god, that's the twins, bro!
Oh yeah, the twins.
Oh, it's done. Go. We did it, boys! We did it!
Yes, minority.
Minority wins
squad.
again!
How the fuck?
Whoa, how
How
the
do
fuck
you-
is that a Hantu, bro?
Bro, minority
Yeah.
squad lost.
Minority squad lost! We didn't win! Teka lang, we will add a new minority. Alright! Minority number 3!
Ready up, nigga.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Let's go.
Bro doesn't want any content. Alright, minority
Robert
squad.
Shawcross.
Robert Chocros, fuck you! Robert Chocros! Robert, fuck you, Robert! Robert, hunt me! Robert!
Hunt them.
So it's not anything. I heard something. Bro, nasaan na naman siya?
I forgot to press the record button.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get right back.
Oh, I heard the EMF.
Bathroom. Oh, it's
Let
not
me
a
see
ring.
if there is ghost
Not a
or...
ring.
Oh!
nigga!
You
What? Yes, bakit ka nag-N-word you dog, bitch?
You guys screamed
Why?
out.
Because he was
It
black,
hurt my
bro.
ears.
You couldn't see.
It hurt my
You
ears.
could see, bro. He was fucking black. Scared the shit out of me, bro. Look at him, bro. He would run from him. It's a Blentelman, bro.
Blentelman! It's a
Gentleman. Oh, our
You know
favorite.
what's a Blentelman, Jeb?
Our favorite sa curse item.
Use this shit.
Summoning circle.
I hate that.
Not. This is not. Shade, isn't it?
No, it's not a shade.
Alright.
Alright.
I heard it.
That was
So
it.
pag masyadong matagal yung smudge sa kanya, then it's Moray.
Alright.
Not alright. So why is this thing here?
I don't know.
Oh!
Yo, I heard.
Niya lahat.
I heard the bitch.
Bro, yung bone
Ito,
nandito.
Ito. Jeb, ito.
What?
Ginalaw niya to.
Oh, it's hunting! It's hunting! It's hunting! It's hunting!
1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a Tumaroy.
No, it's a Moroi! What the heck?
Oh wait, it is.
Isa pa, ito naman, isa pa. 1, 2,
1.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it's a Moroy.
It's a Moroi! Damn!
Okay, so we need 3 more pictures. So gawin natin yung summoning circle.
Okay, be cautious baka mag-hunt yan
Ayun, pintuan, ginalaw ni pintuan.
Oh,
It's
okay.
another picture. Yes, assault. Yes.
Okay, tapos na yung picture.
Wait,
Tapos na yung picture.
go down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
want-
dito tayo. Dito kayo.
Oh!
What? What the
Oh my
fuck?
God,
What the-
guys! Walang grace period! He died!
I can't get the thing!
He died.
Yes, I know, I saw.
Prevent the hunt from... Okay, never mind that. It's a Moroi!
Minority man. Hindi ko alam bakit ako yung namatay. Nasa harapan ko si Jeff eh.
Oo, siya yung namatay.
You have the lowest sanity. Yes. Birthday to you.
Shut up, it's not my birthday. I don't. It's not my birthday. I died. It's not my birthday.
Yes, that's the reason why it's your birthday. You died.
Who wants to be the next minority? You want to be the next minority?
Susan! Hey, Susan, fuck you! It's not
Tarot cards! Tarot cards!
Nasa more, fuck you! Nasa more, fuck
Tarot cards! Tarot cards!
Nothing. Oh! Sabay-sabay niyo pinatay.
Pero it didn't hunt.
Saan ano? Rio?
No, may possible pa rin na maging on Rio. Where's my camera?
The devil, it's a ghost eventing. Where? Is it a ghost event?
Is that an
Okay,
Oni?
hindi siya Oni. There we go, there we go.
How did
Nice.
you know it's not an Oni?
Kasi ano,
Ghost
ghost orb.
orb, ano? Ghost event. Gusto niya
The
mag-stay
tower.
sa physical form. So,
I don't have smudge.
the devil ulit. The fool. Yo, why you took my smudge?
No, bro.
Took my
My turn,
smudge.
bro. Death!
Give me my...
Is it something?
Hi.
Alright, inanted. Tapos na ghost.
So, hindi siya demon, hindi siya yokai, hindi siya mailing, hindi siya ride. Alright.
Alright, yung isang test natin, we can let it hunt habang may kandila.
Oh, para malaman natin kung mabagal. And then, ang pwede natin gawin is...
You need 8 photos.
Ano?
So, pag tumunog tong motion sensor na yon, and then tumunog din to,
The
magsabihin...
devil.
Oh my god, ang liit niya!
Take a
It's a
photo,
kid,
take a
bro.
photo, take a photo. Yes! Interaction.
Wow, interaction yun!
Yeah, so may cold breath dito.
Yes. Hindi pa nagahan pagka magtangka.
Yung ano, oh shit, okay. Yung ano, yung kandila. And then, dali natin.
Ay, something!
This is a 120.
This is the twins.
Saan? Ano siya?
It's the twins.
Twin? So, sobrang
Hindi siya-
bagal kanina
hindi siya-
bago pumilis.
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay. Yeah! Natututo ako.
Kasi, ano eh, unang hunt niya dun sa kitchen, and then yung second twin yung nag-hunt, which
Sa-
is
sa living
nandito
room.
Sa living room.
Kaya may narinig ako.
Get kayo ng crucifix. Put one sa living room. Put one sa living room, put one sa, ano, kitchen.
Living room.
Dito.
Yeah, see, tumunog yung motion sensor. It's right here. Yung isang
Wala
crucifix,
na
lagay nyo
spot.
na dito. Isang crucifix, lagay nyo na dito.
Yung isa nasa ano na, nasa kitchen na.
The devil.
Oh my god.
Nandyan na, huwag kayo dyan, nandyan. Pwede mag-hunt yan dyan. Okay na lahat ng photo. Kulang na lang yung hunting. Oh no, it's bad. Oh no!
Yeah, fuck that.
Ang hirap pag the twins! Holy shit! Hindi ko malagay ng maayos yung crucifix.
Hindi mo alam kung sino yung mag-hunt eh. Kung
Kaya
yung
nga eh.
main twin o yung isa eh.
Ang hirap nung the
Bro.
twins!
Nung narinig ko yung ano, yung parang gargoyle. Ano yung nagtatrottle siya na eh.
I
Nung
didn't
narinig ko yun, nung narinig ko yung parang throttle niya na ano, yung sound na ginagawa niya. Pasok ko agad sa, sa cabinet, sinarado ko agad eh.
I didn't know where to go because I don't know if it will spawn sa living room or in the boys' bedroom.
Sa master bedroom siya nag-spawn.
Wait, seriously?
Oo, kaya hindi naabot ng crucifix. Kailangan na natin ng level 3 crucifix para sa mga the twins.
Ganito kasi
my
yun.
God.
Tawag dito. Yung
Oh my
kung
God.
nasa boys room siya kanina. Pumunta pa, baka may gumagalaw dun sa boys room. Nagamit.
Oo, ayun
Yes.
na.
Kanina.
Ah, he actually opened the light on the boys' bedroom, and then when I interacted you guys, like in the middle of the thing, then umalis na ako saglit kasi I was planning to go out. Suddenly, it shut the door in front of me.
Yeah.
Why?
Nakakatawa nakakatawa yung bulletin board. Tingin sa bulletin board. What this is a bulletin board?
I don't see anything. Can you send it?
Bunch of my
Bunch of mine. Let's go, Nick. Start. You get. That's what you get for being racist.
Are you here?
Mirror, it's the tarot card.
He touched something. He touched something.
It's not voodoo dad.
Oh,
it's
foyer
witch
ata. Foyer. This is a foyer ghost.
M. A.
Main bathroom. My main bathroom.
Main bathroom. Goodbye. It's main bathroom, so that one.
Kaya sabi ko nga sa inyo nandun eh. Ba't ka lumabas? We need that board.
Okay, dun lang.
He touched the door.
I don't wanna go in there.
Alright, let's go. I'm gonna take more salt.
Bring salt. Bring more salt.
Oh, never mind. Meron na siya salt.
Alright.
The other salt is on the
Lagay mo sa loob. Pag hindi niya inapakan yan,
Oh, hindi siya gin. I need to take a picture though. Binloot niya na yung tatlo.
Oh, look at that!
yep. Pinapatay nga niya lang agad eh.
There you go.
Sa tanong, Andrea. Pinapatay niya lang agad pero hindi siya nag-hunt.
Let's go. Let's go sa kitchen. We'll make it hunt.
Hey, there's a crucifix there, you know?
Yeah, wait lang. Wait. Sino may dalang flashlight?
5 minutes later.
Alright, let's do this!
Wait lang daw. Wala siya sa upuan niya.
5 minutes later.
Okay. Hide and seek.
Pakinig!
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek, hide and seek, hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Stupid Ouija board, you dumb bitch!
Hide and seek. Hide and seek.
Oh my god, it's not working.
4,
There you go.
3.
Come here, Nick.
Low.
That's a mining. Oh wait, never mind. Wait. Come here!
Hello? Ah! Bukid ang ina mo! It's a phantom!
Phantom, di makita!
Get out.
Fucking phantom, bro.
Hi.
Sabi ko
It's a phantom.
nag-hello ako kasi hindi ko makita. Hello. Pagkatingin, bigla nag-break sa harapan ko kaya sumigaw ako.
Kala ko ano una, Revenant eh. Kasi di marinig yung puts. Masyado
Ako,
mabagal yung puts, bet.
sabi ko, narinig ko na siya pero nasan siya? Bigla nag-blink sa harapan ko.
I ain't gonna lie, when I saw the spoon, like, natapon na lang sa tabi ko, I was like, nah, I'm not taking chances na mamatay ako.
It's a phantom. Sige lang,
Nilaban.
may ghost
Di-
orb.
Oo, wala.
Okay, it's a phantom.
Ay,
Tangina nung nag-hunt, sabi, nung hinabol si Jeff, tangina takbo na lang agad sa closet, hindi ko na nilup.
Stupid phantom, bro.
Looping, bro. Ayoko i-loop yung...
Jeff is hunting.
Motherfuck! Smudge me, boys! I'm going to die, smudge me! No, I'm not gonna let you die. I will die for you.
Yeah! That fucking jokes. Wag na. Ayaw ko gumana eh. Wala na tayo smudge.